Hello everyone, welcome to Cosmic Gaming Unlimited. This is Jeremy speaking. Today we're going to be talking about installing Davinci Resolve on the ROG Ally with a Bazzite OS installed, which is a Linux distribution. So we're going to go ahead and start this off with I don't know what I'm doing. So if I can do it, you can do it. And hopefully I can do it. Go down to our menu. We're going to go down to Power and switch to Desktop. Right, got the desktop loaded. Um, let's start with what I did, right? So, you go to your browser, Firefox in this situation. We're going to go through my history here, right? So, this is what, as a Windows user, I would do. I wouldn't say this is the proper way of doing it. So, I'm going to go down to I don't know why there isn't just like a hey download button at the top if you've been to this website before. Just keep scrolling until you get down to Davinci Resolve free download, right? Download this, click it. It's got a Linux here. It will pop up here in the downloads section. I will go to my downloads folder. So you would go home, downloads, and you would have a zip file. So you would right click, extract, choose where you want to do it. I just did it within here. Now I got a file and named Davinci Resolve with a version number. When I click it, come on. Now it says execute. Remember, I'm a Windows user. So it's going to say, hey, this is missing. So as a Windows user, I'm like, why did that not install? And this is where I start pulling my hair out for using Linux. So I know that there's some commands you can give. So right click on the extracted file, select open here in terminal. Terminal will come up. I'm going to place in the description what you need to type in at this point. Be aware though that the last part of it will be the local file where you extracted it to. You can get that by right clicking on the name and copying the name and pasting it into the terminal. All right, now we're going to go to open up the File Explorer again. We're going to click on the Bazzite Deck Fedora, which is a root directory. We're going to right click on opt, open as administrator, put in your password. Get Resolve in here. Going to open up that. We're going to go to the lib. All right. So once we're in here, we're going to grab the libgios, libglib, these three, and then libg module, these three. We're going to cut these, create new folder, libs back up, as another video has pointed out, tech dregs, and then we're going to paste these items into here. Now we're going to close these out, and hopefully Davinci Resolve will actually run. Yes, it's there. We got this. I think I can just change that later. And leave as Davinci Resolve. This is what I'm familiar with. You're all set. Start. There we go. I have Davinci Resolve installed. That was more of an adventure than what I was planning on. Alright guys, thank you for watching. If you're interested in more videos like this, like and subscribe. Thank you. Have a good night.